Hey guys, welcome to Initiate Scientia, where science meets you. If you're new to this channel, then do press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. This is the Java series. Class in Java. A class in Java is a blueprint for creating objects. It defines structure and behavior, that is, data members and methods of objects. It is fundamental concept in object-oriented programming. Create class in Java. We use the keyword class. Syntax is public class, class name, and the block of code. Example, public class student int id is 1. You're having a method public static void main. Student object is new student and you're printing object.id, that is 1. Create object of class in Java. Syntax, class name, object name is new class name. We use the keyword new. Keyword is to instantiate or create a new object. Class name is the name of the class you want to create an object of. Object name is the variable that will hold the reference to the newly created object. Class name is the constructor of the class which initializes the new object. You can pass parameters to this constructor if it requires any. Example is car. My car object is new car. Class structure and components. A typical class has fields, methods, constructors, access modifiers, and inner classes. Fields, also known as attributes, variables that hold data or state of the object. Methods, functions that define behaviors or actions of the object. Constructors, special methods used to initialize objects of the class. Access modifiers are keywords that define the visibility of class and its members. Inner class, classes that is defined within another class. Access modifiers, public, private, protected, default. Public. The class or the member is accessible from any other class. Private. The member is accessible only within the class itself. Protected. The member is accessible within the package and by the subclasses. Default is no modifier. When no modifier is mentioned or specified, it's default. The member is accessible only within the same package. Next, types of classes. Concrete classes, regular classes that can be instantiated. Abstract classes, these are the classes that cannot be instantiated and may contain abstract method or methods without implementation. It is used as a base class for other classes. Next is final class. Classes that are marked as final cannot be subclassed. Inner or nested classes, these are the classes defined within another class. Next, let's see about inner classes. An inner class is a class defined within another class. There are different types of inner classes, such as non static inner classes, static nested classes, local classes, anonymous classes. Example, public class outer class has public inner class with inner class content. Example of a class, package declaration, package vehicles, then import statements, you import Java util date. Next is public class definition. Public class car has public static int total cars is 0, which is a static field. Public string make, these are instance fields. Public string model, private int year. Next you have a constructor, public car string make, string model int year. And this dot make is make, this dot model is model, this dot here is here, and incrementing the total cars. Public string get make, you're returning the make, it's a getter. Next, public void set make with the parameter string make, this dot make is make, it's a setter. Public void start engine is a method which is having a print statement that does print engine started for the make that you get from here and for the model from here. Next, this is the overloaded method, public void start engine string key type. You're printing engine started with the key type. Next, override public string to string method, override to string method. Return car, the make is this, model is plus model, and year is plus year, so you're getting make, model, and year from this. Public static int get the total cars, which is a static method. It returns total cars. Class engine is an inner class in the class cars. Void start system.out.println. You're printing the statement inner engine started. So that's it for classes.
More detailed written videos are coming in the Java series, up right from the next video, similar to the data structures playlist. So keep watching. Hit the subscribe button